Ever needed to find an email from a specific day but got lost scrolling endlessly? In this quick 2025 guide, I'll show you how to search on Outlook by date and save yourself a ton of time. Once you're inside your Outlook dashboard, look toward the very top of the screen. You'll see the search bar. This is your main tool for tracking down emails quickly. If you want, you can narrow searches to certain folders on the left, but the fastest way is using the filter options built right into the search bar. On the right side of the search bar, click the three-line filter icon. This opens up a menu with advanced options like subject, sender, and more. Here's where you'll also see the date filter. Now enter the specific date or date range you're looking for. Maybe it's a message from earlier this week or something buried months ago. You can set the exact time frame. Once you've filled in the details, just click the search button. Outlook will instantly scan your mailbox and bring up all the emails from that date or range. No more guessing, no more scrolling, and that's it. With just a few clicks, you can find exactly what you need when you need it. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it with someone who struggles with their inbox, and subscribe for more quick Outlook guides.